Hi, Rand the Lakeshore Art Guy, here to help you and your children unlock some creativity. For today's art challenge, let's use something we can all find in the kitchen. No. Now we're talking aluminum foil. Let's get started. We're going to be sculptors today, and that means we're creating art in 3D. And that means you can see your art all the way around. You've probably seen sculptures made out of stone, or wood, or even bronze. But with our unique material, aluminum foil, our sculptures will be able to do something those sculptures can't. Think about those action figures in your toy box and you'll get the idea. When we're sculpting with aluminum foil, I like to use two techniques. One uses just 3 cuts in one sheet of aluminum foil, and another technique uses craft pipe stems. Here's what you'll need. Aluminum foil. Hey adults, the foil box might have a sharp cutting edge, so be sure to help little ones tear off sheets. Craft pipe stems to help support the figure. Scissors and tape. Sturdy foam or cardboard for a base. And a friend or a family member, someone that can hold a pose for you. Okay, so adults, you can help with this. Tear off a sheet of foil just into a big rectangle, and then what I like to do is fold it loosely over in half and make just a light crease because I want to know the center line. So then in the bottom, right in the middle, I'm going to cut all the way to that center line. Flip it around, and then I'm going to make 2 cuts, one here and one here, almost halfway down. Okay. Now it's starting to take the shape of a person, a figure. So the first thing you want to do is loosely crumple it. You don't want to make it too tight. So I'm going to bend him around like this. Wrap his body around in the back, and then I can start to sculpt arms, legs, and I'm going to use my little mannequin friend here as a reference of body proportions. And if you don't have a mannequin friend, I mean, who has a mannequin friend? But if you don't, you can ask someone in the house to maybe hold a pose for you. And you can start to say, oh yeah, the arms are about that long and the legs are about that long. And we'll carve little feet, sculpt little feet. I'm gonna cut because this arm's a little too long. Now we've got a figure made from one sheet of aluminum foil. Now I'm gonna put him aside and we're gonna make one more using the craft pipe stems. Take one pipe stem and loop it around like this and twist. So we've got the head, and these are arms. These are the little arms. Now we need the body and the legs. So take the second pipe stem, wrap it through the loop, and I like to even it out, so we have even length legs. And then you twist it to kind of lock it in place. I'm gonna do a little twist right here, and then I have a loop that's the body and then the legs. The next step is just wrapping strips of foil around all the limbs and the head and the body. And you just keep wrapping until you feel like you've got some good coverage of aluminum foil and a sculpture that you can make into a posable action figure. To help us pose our figures, you can use a square of cardboard or sturdy paper or foam, and you can attach them to a base so they can dance and move. Well, look at this one I found. Look at this dance floor. So it matches our figure, and we can just tape down a foot and he's ready to pose. So who's at home? Ask someone to hold a pose and see if you can match the pose with your foil figure. Isn't art fun? We'd love to see your action figure creations. Post a photo or a video to social media with the hashtag LearnWithLakeshore. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more. Until next time, stay creative.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.